All right, so I finished hitting the shrimp. I washed them. I bagged them. I washed out my coolers, and pretty much everything is done except cooking and eating. Oh, and I washed myself too. I got a shower. Right now, I've got my water on the burner. It's a little windy. I'm hoping it's not going to blow out the flame. What I'll do is I'll boil the corn a few more minutes early than the shrimp. Once I add the shrimp, I'll add in the crab boil and my lemons. And I mean, if you boiled shrimp before, you know that it doesn't take long. So, how did the shrimp come out? Well, I started out with 22 pounds of heads on shrimp. I pulled out about 3 to 4 pounds for us to eat for this shrimp boil. And after bagging them up, I had 21 bags of 16 shrimp. If you're wondering why 16, 16 tends to work out perfect for us if we want to do a recipe. Shrimp tacos, shrimp with pasta, something like that. If I need more, if I'm going to do boiled shrimp, I can always grab 2 bags. Those bags weighed about 10 ounces each. All of that worked out that after 22 pounds of head-on shrimp, I ended up with about 16 pounds of heads off, ready to eat shrimp. My cost on that worked out to about $6.20 a pound. I can't complain about that. I would be willing to pay more than that because I know, again, this is fresh, local shrimp. I know where it came from. All right, once my water gets up to a boil, I'll come back to you and we'll add the shrimp and the lemon and the spice, and we'll go from there. All right, so our corn's been boiling for about 5 minutes. So we are going to go ahead and add in our spice. If you're curious why I didn't add it in before, in my experience, if you add it in too early, the corn will suck it all up, and then the corn is so spicy that it's almost impossible to eat. Let's see if I can get this open without slinging it everywhere. Okay. All right, let's add in our lemon. One. All right, just 2 lemons. Give that a stir just to make sure everything's good. Okay. And last but not least, let's add our shrimp. Look at those shrimp. Good looking green tails right there. All right, shrimp have been added. I am going to put the lid back on so it'll bring back up to a boil. And we'll be back to you in just a minute. All right. So, in the words of Jimmy Buffett, smell them shrimp, they're beginning to boil. I won't charge you for that song. They are getting ready to boil. They're just starting. Don't have to boil shrimp long. Don't want them to turn rubbery. Give them a stir. Let them hang out for just a minute. Oh yeah. They're getting ready to come up to a nice boil. We'll let them go for a few minutes. And then it'll be time to take them off. I'll come back to you as soon as it's ready. All right, I believe these guys are done. We're gonna turn the gas off. We're gonna take them off. Man, look at that. They look great. Got that nice orange pinkish color. Got a good spicy smell to them. These things are going to be awesome. I went ahead and made some cocktail sauce. And because Alina said that she had a stopped up nose, I made it extra spicy. So I'm pretty sure that stuff is going to unstop that nose because there's enough horseradish in it to knock you out. All right, that is it. The shrimp are gone. We are ready. All right, we're in. They cooled off a little bit, and it is time to give them a try. I went ahead and peeled a couple. You want to try yours first?
No, you go ahead.
Okay. All right, then. Let's give it a try. I'm going to dip it in some of this cocktail.
Are they good?
Are they good? What are you talking about? That there, that's some awesome shrimp. There is nothing better than peel and eat shrimp when they are fresh. And that's what these are.
Can't get any fresher than that.
All right. You want to try one?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess I'm going to try them. Hopefully they're good. Let's dip them in that cocktail sauce. All right, here goes. Here we go. Mmm. Ooh, that's spicy. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Look, I got the whole shrimp. There's nothing left in that tail.
You can't beat.
So good.
You can't beat fresh shrimp.
Those are so good.
All right, it is time for us to go eat our shrimp. As I said before in the earlier video, nothing like fresh shrimp. If you want some fresh shrimp, go see Miss Gina's Shrimp in Beaufort. You can find her on Facebook. I highly recommend it. This stuff is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and click that subscribe because that'll really help us out to keep making all these videos and hopefully having fun with them. And if you want to make some comments, feel free. You can tell me what I've done right, what I've done wrong, what you do that makes things better. Tell me your good experiences, bad experiences, but comment. Let's get a conversation going. Thanks again, folks. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening.
Thanks for watching.